Whoa, dog. Hey guys, so I personally love to grab my phone, and today I'll be teaching you if your phone turns off on you and you can't turn it on, and you literally can't turn it on, and it's like your only life, and you've been going on that phone for years and years, and it's your only thing to videotape YouTube. Because that's with me. And yesterday, this phone, and what I'm recording on right now, it just shut off on me. And I was like, no. And I was playing Minecraft, but I didn't know what to do because all my stuff is on this phone. I watch YouTube on this phone. I do YouTube videos on this phone. And then I'll think, if I don't figure this out, my videos would be not as high quality as they usually are. And I would be really sad with that. But then what happened was today I thought, what would a tech guy do at Best Buy? And I was thinking, I know. He would take off the back of the phone. You may need parent help with this. Take off the back of the phone and then take off the battery and then wait for 5 seconds and put it back in. Put the back in. So I tried that and it worked. And I think that's a really, really cool thing to do if your phone died. And if it doesn't work, it's gone forever. And your life is probably going to be over. Yeah, so, that's my way of fixing a phone. I'm sorry. It's just I'm still having breakfast. It's in the morning. See, everybody's not up. It's all dark. That's why it was really fun in the video. It was really bad lighting. And I made a closet. I know. And this is like my studio, the usual studio I film in. Bye guys! Okay. No. Bye guys! Make sure to subscribe. And I don't want you to see my face because my mouth is probably going to be really gross because I've been eating my breakfast. So, bye guys, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.